Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start with safety and access. Park level, handbrake on, and disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid sensor faults. Next, open the trunk and remove the trim, unclip 6/8 plastic fasteners, and lift the carpet to expose the bumper backsides. While you're there, peel back the wheel arch liner slightly to reveal the 4 plastic clips and 2 bolts that hold the bumper edge. Once exposed, prepare a flat trim tool and a 10 mm socket for the next steps. Once the clips and bolts are visible, support the bumper with one hand or a jack, then pry out the plastic clips using a trim tool to avoid breakage. With the bumper supported, remove the 2 10 mm bolts at the lower edge and gently ease the bumper outward from the wheel arch to unhook the tabs. Before pulling the bumper free, locate and unplug the parking sensor and reflector connectors. Press the release tab and gently wiggle the plug. This prevents wiring damage when the bumper comes off. Pull the bumper straight back to clear the remaining tabs and lift it off. Place it on a soft blanket to avoid paint damage. Inspect the clip mounts, foam absorber, and sensor harness for cracks or corrosion. Replacing broken clips or damaged harness sections will ensure a secure refit and sensor reliability. To finish, reinstall in reverse. Reconnect sensors, align tabs, fit bolts and clips, and finally tighten. If a sensor fails after reassembly, double-check the connector.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.